Hi everybody, this is Matt Elliott at Guaranty RV Super Centers. Today I'm showing you a Coachmen Apex Ultra Lite, and this is the 245 BHS model. This is a remarkable trailer because even though it's a nice roomy bunkhouse, it only weighs 4,600 pounds. So this is perfect for you guys that have a lighter duty half ton. You have to watch out in the half tons because some of them will pull a lot and some of them won't really pull that much. So you want to be sure and check your truck so you can know what you're able to tow. So just to begin with, a couple of words about Apex. Apex is one of the trailers that I go to when people want a high quality trailer, but they don't want to spend as much money as some of our upper end brands go for. And the reason is because Apex does have extremely high quality. They have a fully bonded sidewall construction with Asdel, and that means no wood in the sidewall. Therefore, you don't have the delamination problems that are common with other fiberglass trailers. Also, this has a solid core roof and a solid core floor, and that means that there's no place in those structures for water to run around and destroy things. So even if you goof up and you don't maintain your roof seals, you're less likely to have damage with this coach. It's a very, very good way to build a coach. Now, the floor plan we're looking at right now is a bunkhouse model. And even though it's only 4,600 pounds, it'll sleep 2, 4, 6, 8 people if you're all getting along. It's got 2 double bunks in the corner, so you can put really anywhere from 2 to 4 kids in the back here, and it's dynamite. And then, of course, right next door to that, there's a really nice bathroom with a skylight and a little medicine cabinet. Certainly not a big one. Small bunkhouses don't have room for big bathrooms, but it'll do for everybody's needs. Now, one of the interesting things about this ultralight is it has a full-size fridge and freezer. It has an oven with a glass door. It has the flush mount countertop stove top, so you can use it literally as extra galley space when the stove lid's down. It's got a big double sink. It's got the metal faucet with the single handle, and it's a squirter, so you can tell people to be quiet if they're being too noisy. Anyway, the other thing is that this has a family seating area we call a horseshoe dinette. Horseshoe dinettes are awesome because they give you storage underneath and a variety of seating arrangements on top. In fact, a lot of people don't realize that if you have a horseshoe dining area and you get that big table out of the middle, it's like having a sectional sofa at home. So you've got a real variety of usages. Plus, it also makes a bed. Now, one of the cool things on the Apex, this has the kind of a setup where there's a partition at the end of the bed, and the TV set can swivel from the main living area. It can turn around to the bedding area, so you can watch TV in bed. But what most trailers don't do is they don't move the control for your home theater system. So if you're in bed watching TV and you want to turn it up or off or change channels, you literally have to go check around and do the controller. You have to get out of bed to change your channels. With this one, the whole system turns around. So you have your remote, you can run your TVs and everything. Now, another really nice thing about this is it's got a window in the front. So unlike a lot of trailers, especially now that we have so many aerodynamic designs, the front ends get really dark and congested inside. And this one has a lot of windows, a lot of light, and a lot of space. Okay, let's take a quick look around the outside of this rig. I think you're really going to like it. First thing I want to point out with the Apex Ultra Lite is a number of high-end upgrades. It has the power awning, of course. It has the outside speakers, but it's also got alloy wheels. It's got an outside kitchen that slides out so you can do some cooking out of it. Being on bunkhouses, it's great to have some outdoor cooking too, because you can get everybody out of the trailer and you can start cooking out there. It's a lot of fun for a family. Also, this has the flush mount, the frameless style windows, which are very attractive. And also, because they don't have aluminum frames, they don't transmit as much heat. They don't sweat as much. And people like that about them. Now, this has a great front storage compartment. And one thing you'll notice if you look at an Apex, very thick compartment doors. Really good insulated compartments. You don't have to worry about heat transfer or dust getting in. It's got an outside solar connector. It has the power tongue jack, has dual tanks, and we provide 2 batteries with every slide out model that we sell. So those will be included along with quite a few other things. Now, of course, we do have a slide out, and one of the things that I think is interesting about Apex is even though they're an ultralight, they really have a full depth, really roomy slide. A lot of rigs, that slide is just a little bit shallower, and it's done to get you less weight, but what it doesn't do is give you much room inside. So if you're going to invest in a slide out, it's good to be able to get a little elbow room in the dining area. All right, well listen, that's a quick thumbnail sketch of the Coachmen Apex 245 BHS. I hope you enjoyed this dialogue, and if you have any questions, I'd love to help you or answer any questions you might have. You can reach me at Guaranty. My name's Matt Elliott, and the number is 541-954-8495. Thanks a lot. You have a great day.